it, and it has been 7 years now. My dear one, how have you been living? Do you know that deep inside my heart there is still a pool of blood that has never dried? Though I've grown old, I still remember you. Since the day you left to belong to someone else, my heart has ached like a festering wound. I drift through life in darkness, clinging and swaying like a bat hanging upside down, living with a broken heart until today. Do you know that I never truly had you? Like a thorn stuck in my throat. No matter how many decades pass, it still pierces me. I live on without desire or hope, yet I miss you deeply, my beloved. We loved once but could not be together. Now we are old, each going our own way. If one day I die before you, please come and mend clothes for me to wear one last time before I depart to the spirit world. That I never truly had you, like a thorn stuck in my throat. No matter how many decades pass, it still pierces me. I live on without desire or hope, yet I miss you deeply, my beloved. We loved once but could not be together. Now we are old, each going our own way. If one day I die before you, please come and mend clothes for me to wear one last time before I depart to the spirit world.